The next group of problems use the method of successive differences, which is what we started to use in the previous section, but I didn't. I stopped because I realized I was getting too far ahead of myself. So problem number 13 is what we'll start with. And what this does is it gives us a method of figuring out what the next term in the sequence is. So what we do is we take successive numbers and we find the difference between the two. So 4 minus 1 is 3. 11 minus 4 is 7. 21 minus 11 is 11. 37 minus 22 is 15. 56 minus 37 is 19. And you can almost see the pattern: 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. There's 4 difference of 4. So we could almost predict what the next number is. Let's just write it down, but we'll show how the law of successive differences would give us the same answer. So again, it's all a matter of looking for patterns. Okay, if we didn't know that, if we didn't see that, then what we do is we take the difference between these numbers. So 7 minus 3 is 4, 11 minus 7 is 4, 15 minus 11 is 4, 19 minus 5 is 4. And so we know that this here, the difference between these two numbers is 4, and it's a common number. So to get the next number here, we would add 4. 19 plus 4 is 23. And then we add these two numbers to get the next one. That's what we're doing here, is if you take this number plus that number is 4, this plus 7 is 11, this plus that is 22, this plus 15 is 37, this plus 19 is 56. So 23 plus 56 is going to be 79. And so that would be the next number. Okay, how many problems do we have in this section? Okay, so let's just go 4. Let's do 16. So I have 1, 11, 3, 5, 79, 149, 251. Okay, differences. 10, 24. Then we have, make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, so you have 35 minus 11 is 24. 79 minus 35 is 44. 149 minus 79 is 70. 251 minus 149 is 102. And we still don't have a constant number here, so we do it again. 24 minus 10 is 14. 44 minus 24 is 20. 70 minus 44 is 26. 102 minus 70 is 32. Again, we don't have the same number, so we go more. 20 minus 14 is 6. 26 minus 20 is 6. 32 minus 26 is 6. Okay, so now we're in good shape. So all we have to do is we see that the difference between these is 6. So we're going to add 6 to 32. So put a 6 here. So 32 plus 6 is 38. And we add these two together. 102 plus 38 is 140. So the difference is here for 38. This is 38. This is 32. This is 26. So it's got this nice pattern to it. Okay, then we take 251 plus 140 is 391, I think. 391. Okay, that's the answer. Okay, let's do one more. We will do 19. So we have 5, 34, 243, 1,022. There's a lot of numbers here. Let me put these on one page because I'm going to have to make them smaller. So this is number 19. So we have 5, 34, 243, 1,022, 3,121, 7,770, 16,799. Okay, so let's do the difference. And I'm going to use my calculator here because I got too many numbers here. So 34 minus 5 is 29. 243 minus 34 is 209. 1022 minus 243 is 779. 3121 minus 1022 is 2,099. 7770 minus 3121 is 4,649. 16799 minus 7770 is 9029. So we haven't gotten far enough yet. So now we do it again. 209 minus 29 is 180. 779 minus 209 is 570. 2099 minus 779 is 1320. 4649 minus 2099 is 2550. 9029 minus 4649 is 4380. And I haven't gotten where we need to get, but notice we're now all with zeros. They all have the last thing of zero. So now we take 570 minus 180, and we get 390. 1320 minus 570, 750. 2550 minus 320, 1230. 4380 minus 2550 is 1830. Do it again. 750 minus 390 is 360. I think we're right where we need to be. 1230 minus 750 is 480. Oh, not quite. And 1830 minus 1230 is 600. One more time. 480 minus 360 is 120. 600 minus 480 is 120. So finally got to the point where we have the same number. So now we put 120 here. We add 600 plus 120 is 720. 720 plus 1830 is 2550 plus 4380 is 6930 plus 9029 is 15959, and then the final answer down here is going to be 16799 plus 15959. And I get 32,758, which is the right answer. Okay, so what we did here is, we kept finding the differences between two consecutive numbers. Went down one level, now another level, got down here where we finally got to the point where there's 120 difference between those. We put the 120 in the next step. So we knew this was going to be 120 more than that. Then we added these two numbers together to get that. We added those two numbers to get that. We added those two numbers to get that. We added these two numbers to get that. And that would be the final answer. Okay, so that's it for this kind of problem. Okie dokie.